All right, what's going on, everybody? Conrad here from Mojobreak.com for Sunday, December 18, 2022. Doing the first break of the day. It's going to be another single box break of brand new 2022 World Cup National Treasures. Actually, National Treasures FIFA to FIFA World Cup. Road to FIFA World Cup Qatar Soccer. Random box number 6. Just drew your teams. There were no trades. Random teams number 6. All right, fill up that PYT coming up next. Move that to the side here. Happy for Messi, though. Finally got one. Majority of the polls were right. Everybody was voting Argentina yesterday, last night, and on Thursday. All right, we got a 1-on-1 printing plate. Usually only one a case in hobby. Let's go on to Spain. 1-on-1 printing plate. Marcos Llorente. Spain in the break. Replicante. A makes history for England at 2020 European Championship. Treasured moments. Jude Bellingham. Going out to England. 60 of 99. England. Kyle Jacobson. Arnott base card. 21 of 25. Arnott for Netherlands. That's a blue foil parallel base. Netherlands Eric S. First relic is a Mauricio Panilla for Chile. 3 of 25. Chile Phil. Panilla. 2-color patch. 8 out of 10. Rafael Santos Borre for Colombia. 8 of 10. Colombia Munchie. 2-color patch. 8 out of 10. I wouldn't have mine either way. Mbappe winning a back-to-back, I wouldn't have mind that. I mean, if anybody deserved it, if anybody deserved to win too, it was definitely Mbappe, scoring 3 goals to bring his team back from the depths. They literally shouldn't even have been in the game, you know, once Argentina went up. But the great players will their teams. Eunice, 6 out of 10 for United States. That's a 2-color patch. What's up? Adam with the United States spot. Here's a triple relic for Croatia. 15 of 99. Luka Modric. Triple relic. 15 of 99 for Croatia. John D. I gotta look up this next cat. I have no idea. Let's see. National treasures, I'm calling out to all my ladies. All right, this is a Gianfranco. Italy getting redemption. Timeless Talent Signature Sapphire. Going to the Italy spot. Italy Big City Goat getting that redemption. Oh, this is a on-card auto. Dennis Priet for Belgium, 40 of 49. Belgium getting an auto. Arhes Beth. 40 of 49. Nice on-card auto. A Frank Lebeau, France, 13 of 99. Jim Jordan with France, 13 of 99. Legendary signatures. All right, and the last hit for the single box random team is going out to Spain. Started with Spain, ending with Spain. Replicante, 16 of 25. Dual jersey prodigy, Sabi Alonso for the Spaniards. All right, that was it, folks. Random team 6 to start off the day of National Treasures Road to FIFA World Cup. Random number 6. Congrats to everybody who got a nice hit from that one. Fill up the PYT that is scheduled to break next for 3:30. You got a first offline box. You got a hobby box. Last I checked, there were still, what, 23 teams left? 22 teams left? Bum, bum.